Question 1. What is a token? Answer. Token is smallest unit in a Python statement. Here is an example. Look at this statement. X is equal to x plus 10. In this statement, x is a variable, equal to symbol is an operator, which signifies storing, and plus symbol means to add, and 10 is a constant value. Thus, this statement asks the computer to add the value already stored in variable x to a constant value 10 and store the result into the same variable x. If a value 10 is already stored in x, then this statement will add 10 to that existing value and make it 10 plus 10, resulting to 20. Question 2. What is a variable? Answer. A variable is a named container of data in Python language and probably in every programming language. Each programming language has its own set of rules for naming variables. Like in Python, we can use any word that is not a part of Python language. A variable name should not start with a digit. A variable cannot have space or a special character embedded within it. Variable names are case-sensitive. Here is a list of valid variable names: x, x2, data1, dog, etc. And here are some invalid names: if, class, 2x, a and b, etc. For a detailed explanation of each of the topics, please consider joining the course mentioned in the advertisement clip that follows. Thank you.
If you wish to be an IT specialist or data scientist, you may look into my course on Python Foundation Concepts. It is just for beginners and covers the essentials of this programming language. Link to details are available in the description.